Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and I will be working at the arena today. They have a health and garden expo. So guess what? I'm going to use one stone and kill two birds. So seeing that I'm going to go, I need to reach in for 4 o'clock. I'm going to go before so I can show you what they have there, some of the booths that are there and all that. So I go put a clothes. Now it's actually I just wake up. I'm going to put a load of clothes to wash, cook some food. I'm going to do some fried fish and rice and change the bed sheet, and that's that. And then I get ready to go by the expo. So let me know what you are doing today. Let me know if you'll be going to the expo as well, and see you there.
Struggle. I know you've had some pain. I know you're feeling tired, held down by all the weight. Yeah, I know you're feeling lonely. Your smile ain't the same. Not sure where to go from here. Feel like you've lost your way. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. I can see the strength inside you. Child, you're putting up a fight. Oh, you're stronger than you think you are. Yeah, you're gonna be alright. You're accepted, loved and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold your head up high. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Oh yeah. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Oh yeah. The God of miracles. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. I hear the song you sing as you wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I wake up with your grace while the moonlight's still fading away. I see your mercy coming with the day. Oh, yeah. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. This song is from the heart. Love, have your way. In the easy and easy, Lord, make me more like you. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. Yeah. You give me air to breathe, and you cover me under your wings. You hear my voice, and you know my every need. Oh, you see my hopes and dreams, but you have in store far better things. My future comes alive when you're leading me. Oh, my prayer.
Alright, so I am actually ready to leave out. I'm going to put on my blouse now, start out my ear, and then I leave out now to go by the expo. As I said, I'm going to try to reach a little bit earlier, just in case I want to get some footage for you guys of what the expo is like. So I'll catch you there. I'll catch you there.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas.
Alright, so I have arrived and all, so I'm gonna go check in now and see what going on inside, so I'll let you guys see what's happening. Alright, so as you can see, a lot of brands are here. You're seeing Lucky Dollar, Digicel, Quartz, JPS, Grace, and all of those places. Ready Cash. Down here, not look full yet. Normally it work out now. I think the last one was the JEA Expo. This one is not as big as the JEA. Normally the JEA, you know, is manufacturers and so on. They're normally outside. Yeah, this one, they have like tents and so normally outside. This one is not so big. So let's see what's popping.
Det kommer väl till min city, nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet inte om ni kör det. Skön social smak good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, yeah. My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you.
Alright, we'll give her a shot. And I'm telling you that. Spell Lucky Dollar alphabetically.
My personal thing we Huh? Thank you. Which company? Oh, Don's Nicey? Don's Modern. Don's Modern.
You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you be more than me, more than me.
I'm over that nice.
Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But, yeah, no. Come to me. Come to me, rescue. Come to me, Fatu bata jembele,
Mike, listen, we are here vibing at the Health Home and Garden Expo at the National Arena.
Alright, so guess what? We're at Basket by Claudette booth and you guys can get your iron board cover. We have shoe bags as well and they have clothes baskets. We have so many stuff here and these look very unusual too. These are what? Oh, wow. Guys, and the prices are great as well. You can always contact Claudette as well. See our number there. So you can always give her a call after the expo. Alright. Alright, so this is me. One whole heap of bag of pan, plus over there, plus over here, all sort of bag of pan. Where? Jesus! That's so far. Oh, we walking, then we'll all the way together. Alright, so I'm just showing you a few of the stuff I got from the expo, which is really just 4 plants. I bought these from my mom. Honestly, I never know where the plant them name. I just know that this is a sunflower plant. I don't know if it's, I think it's spread, but I asked him for a plant that actually is good for inside and he told me this one. Don't know the name of it either. If you guys know the name of these plants, please let me know the name of them. Yeah. I like that one here. I gotta give my mother them so she can plant them and spread them. And I also got some magazines, some HHG magazine, Health Home and Garden magazine. See them here. These may I send up. I have some for myself as well. The ones I have for myself are here. So, you know, I always like put some magazine on the coffee table and I did tired of them like 3 years with the years or so. At least me get some nice, some newer set now. And actually I can look in it and see what inspiration I can get as well.